Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cupcakes in your microwave. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. For the wet ingredients, have 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. Don't forget a microwave-safe mug or ramekin for baking your delightful treat. Let's get started. Now that you have all your ingredients, let's mix our batter. In your chosen microwave-safe mug, first combine the dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, and baking powder. Give them a good stir with a small whisk or fork until they are thoroughly mixed. Next, pour in the milk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. Gently stir everything together until just combined. Remember, overmixing can make your cupcake tough, so stop as soon as the ingredients are incorporated. With your batter mixed, it's time for the magic to happen in the microwave. Carefully place your mug into the microwave oven. Cook on high power for approximately 60 to 90 seconds. The exact time can vary based on your microwave's wattage, so keep an eye on it. Your cupcake is perfectly done when it springs back lightly to the touch, and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Be careful, it will be hot. Congratulations, you've just made a microwave cupcake. Before you dig in, allow your freshly baked treat to cool for a few minutes. This helps it set and makes it easier to handle. Now for the fun part, decorating. Top your warm cupcake with your favorite frosting, a sprinkle of powdered sugar, or some colorful sprinkles. This incredibly quick and easy recipe yields one delightful single-serving cupcake, ready to enjoy in under 5 minutes. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.